Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Wednesday, the 2nd of May. And can you believe it, it's already May. Big news today was that factory orders report came out, had the biggest decline in 3 years, and it's kind of set the market into a little bit of a down day across the board. All sectors are down as we speak. I want to talk a little bit while Adam's away. We're going to be providing the daily update in written form each day with videos done by myself on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of each week, so stay tuned. Of course, we want to remind you to come to your members blog and comment on the DailyXchange. Today the question is Facebook doubts. Was Facebook overhyped? I don't know. I'm a little on the shelf myself. I kind of see it hard to make money with their business plan currently. I don't know if they're going to adapt that or not, but as you can see, we have 13 comments on there already. It's really a nice forum to go in and check. If you're not a member, I encourage you to take the trial of MarketClub. This is our new blog for MarketClub members only, where you can freely go in and share trading ideas. There's actually a good posting in there by Mike about how he interprets the trade triangle, so you might want to go check that out. With that, let's move on to the markets today and kind of see what the deal is. As you can see, everything's kind of we had a big run up yesterday. Here, a lot of weeklies triggering, especially on the S&P 500 at 1406.64. Currently having a down day. Issued a red exit triangle for short-term traders if you're trying to follow this index. Currently trading at 1401.13 with a score of plus 85. Moving along, silver continuing to be in that downtrend. Overall, we're still bullish this market on the green monthly triangle, so long-term traders still holding your long positions with appropriate money management stops. Short-term traders are in a short position as of the 30th at $30.61, currently down to $30.57. So a little bit of a sidelines move there right now, currently with a score of negative 60. Moving along to gold, same thing. We're still bearish on gold. We have been for a long time from the 1532.45 level. You can kind of see it's kind of just going along in this sidelines mode here. No real movement to speak of. Not really sure what gold's looking at, but we currently have a score of negative 75. Long-term traders are still short this market. Intermediate term traders are still short, and short-term traders are currently in sidelines mode on this exit triangle on the green. Copper, kind of making a big move down today. I was a little shocked to see this myself, but being that the factory orders report came out, copper is an industrial metal. So after I thought about it, wasn't really saw it move down. I didn't think it'd move down that much, but we're still in a score of plus 100 long across the board. Moving along to crude oil, still hanging around that 105 level, 106 level. Of course, we're at plus 90 long across the board, but you can see it's still building that big energy field that Adam's expecting. And he's still, last time I talked to him before he left for Australia, he's still expecting this market to make a move up to that 120, 125 level. The Euro USD, of course, issued a green weekly yesterday, but still long-term bearish this market with the exit today. Of course, there's still concerns in Europe with the credit debt problems over there. I believe I saw an article where the Netherlands was downgraded, I believe. So no real idea what's going on across the pond there. And of course, the inflation index signaled a green weekly yesterday as well with that big move up. But again, just following the trend of down markets in the day we're down. And of course, I want to talk to you about three big movers of the day. First one's Tripadvisor. I see members got long. If you got long yesterday, 37.85, made a huge move up, gap up this morning, opened at 43.25 with a high of 44.60, currently trading at 42.67. So it's a nice little trade if you happen to get in yesterday on that weekly trade triangle. Pulte Group. You've been long since 426 at $8.90, currently trading 1065 with good volume, which they said that there's more contracts being sold or in for buying houses. So you got to believe that maybe finally the housing market's turning around, but I'm not sure that that's quite the case yet. We'll have to wait and see. And Dr. Horton, DHI again, Long from 423 at 1562, currently trading at a high of 1781. This may be something we want to watch. On Friday we'll come back and visit as maybe a 52-week high trade. Being that it's closing up there, we've got a year here. It's definitely in new ground. If we go back to 2, it's in you can see it's really kind of broken out to the upside there. So be interested to see how that closes this week and see what's going on. Of course, we want to take a quick look at Apple. I just saw a post on the traders blog, members blog, asking if anybody's looking at Apple, and it's kind of, we had 5 down days down, but it's kind of sitting right on the 50-day moving average, as you can see here. So it's currently trading at 584.35. So I guess we'll really have to see where the close is today and what kind of action they pull in tomorrow to see if they stay above that 50-day moving average or if it crosses over. Again, look tomorrow for the written update. I encourage all members, and if you're not a member, join. I think you'll like what we're doing on the new members only blog with the commentary there. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.